6 months ago, I was struggling to get 500 views on any video I uploaded, but I made one simple change that's exploded my channel's growth. It's gained me over 150 new subscribers in the last 28 days alone. As a small channel, it's getting me thousands of views per video and pushed the channel to over 175,000 total views. So in this video, I'm going to show you what it is and how you can apply this to your business to 5 times your channel growth and business income. But maybe you're wondering, who the hell is this guy? Hi, I'm John. I'm a filmmaker and content creator from the UK. I've also have an amazing wife, I kind of have to say that, and we've also got 2 kids. I started my creator journey 2 years ago when I discovered my passion for YouTube whilst filmmaking, and I've been making videos ever since. Now I try my best to balance everything, which, trust me, isn't easy. So what did I do and what's my secret? Well, I stopped putting as much time and effort into my thumbnails. I know that sounds crazy, and it goes against everything that YouTube experts tell you. But let me explain. I'm well aware that a good thumbnail is the biggest factor when it comes to your video either blowing up or flopping completely. I used to spend at least an hour making the perfect thumbnail, which included tiny microscopic changes which nobody was going to notice. Then last year I made this thumbnail, which was literally just a picture of a monitor I was reviewing and some text on top of it. That's it. It took me about 5 minutes to make this, and as you can see, it blew up. So I tried it again and again, and every time the video performed really well. But I liked putting loads of effort into my thumbnails, so I went back to my old strategy and see if you can guess what happened. Yeah, that's right, videos went back to flopping more than Ryan Reynolds' Green Lantern movie.
I pledge allegiance to a lantern that I got from a dying purple alien.
Oh god, that was bad. So for a while, I'll be honest, I was kind of stuck in a dilemma. Then I made this thumbnail a few months ago, and it was just like the other simple ones that I'd done before, and it got over 12,000 views and counting. So then I just refined my style, and I think I finally found something that works, looks great, and takes me significantly less time than before. And since I've made this change and implemented it in all my recent videos, the change has been nothing short of incredible. In the last 28 days alone, my channel has gained over 150 new subscribers, over 30,000 views, and we've just crossed the milestone of 175,000 total channel views. So one thing I'll say to anyone who's struggling with views on your videos, just keep trying and trying new things until something just clicks and gets results. So look, I'm not saying don't spend time on your thumbnails. All I'm saying is test it, play around with it, and then eventually when you find something that works, use that and stick with it and double down on it. There's no point spending hours and hours on your thumbnails if they're not going to get results. If you find something that works, just use that. Thumbnails are obviously the most important factor of a YouTube channel, but something that I've found is just to go with the flow, and when it works, just let it work. Now I know that might sound really simple, but us creators love getting in our own way and overcomplicating things. So if you'd like more help on growing your channel as a new creator or small business owner, or even if you already have a channel and are struggling to get any traction with it, then click the link below to join my creator Kickstarter waitlist. So this is going to be a live cohort of over 8 weeks of intensive work where you cut through all of the mistakes that creators make so you can fast track your success. And if you want to know more about the mistakes that I've made, and trust me, there's been a fair few of them, and the lessons I've learned after making over 100 YouTube videos, then click the link up here right now. Thanks for watching.